Welcome to Population Genetics and Evolution, Unit 6, Session 4, Genus Homo. And by the end of this session, students should be able to outline the history of the evolution of the genus Homo, discuss the features, characteristics shared by the genus Homo. Homo guatemaltensis, age 2 million to 600,000 years ago. Brain size awaiting publication. Fossils found: partial skull, several jaws, teeth, and other bones. Adaptations: bipedalism. Further information awaiting publication. Location found: Sterkfontein Caves, South Africa. Notes: very stocky, 3 foot tall, 110 pounds, bipedal tree dweller. Homo habilis, age 2.4 to 1.5 million years ago. Brain size 500 to 800 cc. Fossils found: many. Adaptations: primitive face, smaller teeth than Australopithecines, human-shaped brain, had Broca's area, section of brain we currently use for speech. Location found: Kenya and Tanzania, Africa. Notes: named habilis for tools found with fossils. May need to be more than one species. Homo rudolfensis is suggested in addition. Homo georgicus, age 1.8 million years ago. Brain size 600 to 780 cc. Fossils found: 30 or so partial skulls and a partial skeleton. Adaptations: intermediate between habilis and erectus. Location found: Minci, Georgia, Eastern Europe. Notes: first hominids out of Africa. A huge surprise because they didn't have the brains or tools of Homo erectus. Homo floresiensis, 1.1 million years ago to 17,000 years ago, possibly 2 million years ago. Brain size 420 cc. Fossils found: several almost full skeletons. Adaptations: dwarf hominid found on island, large feet, ape-like hands, small brain, similar features to Homo habilis. Location found: Flores, Indonesia. Note: dwarfs of species commonly develop on islands. These were 3 feet tall, hunted dwarf elephants and large rats. New research on relative brain size suggests they descended from Homo georgicus or Homo habilis rather than erectus. Homo erectus, 1.8 million to 300,000 years ago. Brain size 750 to 1,225 cc. Fossils found: lots and lots. Adaptation: jaw still protrudes, no chin, thick brow ridges, small forehead but larger brains, and excellent walkers. Location found: Africa, Europe, and Asia. Notes: probably use fire. Brains got larger over time. Homo ergaster, age 1.8 million to 300,000 years ago. Brain size slightly smaller than erectus. Fossils found: these would be the African erectus fossils reclassified. Adaptations: taller and thinner and different shaped brow ridges than European and Asian erectus fossils. Location found: Africa. Notes: some scientists make the African erectus fossils to be more Homo ergaster. Homo antecessor, 780,000 years ago. Brain size 1,000 cc. Fossils found: 6 individuals. Adaptations: mid-facial area modern, other parts primitive. Location found: Spain. Notes: oldest European hominids may just be erectus or nearly Heidelbergensis. Heidelbergensis. Homo sapiens or Homo heidelbergensis, age 500,000 years ago. Brain size 1,200 cc. Fossils found: many skulls. Adaptations intermediate between erectus and human in thickness of bones and size of teeth, receding foreheads and chins. Location found in Europe. Note: some scientists consider this the European version of Homo erectus. Later ones are difficult to distinguish from early Homo sapiens. Sometimes Heidelbergensis is called Homo sapiens, archaic, in contrast to modern humans who are Homo sapiens. Denisova, sometimes referred to as Homo denisova, but its taxonomic status has not been confirmed yet. Age 500,000 to 30,000 years ago. Brain size unknown. Fossils found: child's finger and adult molar. Significant DNA sequence. Adaptations unknown. Location found: Denisova Cave, Siberia. Notes: living humans, especially in the islands around New Guinea, inherited genes from this population. We know nothing about them other than they existed, and there is debate about whether they deserve their own species designation. The sequenced DNA has shed much light on the geographical spread of humans and human ancestors, but there is also much debate as the discovery is so new. Homo nederlandensis or Homo sapiens neanderthalis or just Neanderthals. Age 400,000 to 30,000 years ago. Brain size 1,450 cc. Fossils found: lots and lots. Entire genome sequenced. Adaptations: mid-facial area protrudes, long, low brain case, thick and strong near our height. Many adaptations seem like adaptations for cold. Location found: Europe, Middle East, and Asia. Notes: first hominids to bury dead, lots of tools and weapons, lived brutal lives. Brain was larger than ours, often spelled Neanderthal now. Humans carry some Neanderthal genes, indicating interbreeding. Thus, by some paleontologists' definition, they cannot be a separate species. Cro-Magnon Homo sapiens, age 50,000 to 10,000 years ago. Brain size 1,350 cc. Fossils found: many. Adaptations: these are now classified as anatomically modern humans. Location found: Europe. Notes: our ancestors in Europe were thicker in teeth and bone than we are. Homo sapiens, 195,000 years ago to 2009. Brain size 1,350 cc. Fossils found: living samples available in large quantities. Adaptation: forehead rises sharply, small or non-existent brow ridges, prominent chin and skin skeleton. Location: everywhere. Notes: tooth and face bone size is still decreasing over the last 20,000 years of the human evolution timeline.